It also makes you wonder, could this actually be good for crypto?
That's where things get really interesting. Yeah, some investors think this kind of economic uncertainty could push more people towards crypto.
Really?
They see it as a potential safe haven asset, a way to protect their wealth from what governments and central banks are doing.
Hmm, that's an interesting idea. So explain that a little more.
Yeah.
What makes crypto a safe haven?
Well, think about it this way. Traditional safe haven assets like gold
Right.
have always been seen as a store of value during times of economic or political turmoil.
Yeah, because they're scarce
Yeah.
and their value isn't tied to any one government.
Exactly. And their value isn't directly tied to any specific government or currency.
Right,
Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, share some of those same characteristics.
right.
They have a limited supply and they operate independently of any central authority.
So the thinking is that if people start losing faith in traditional financial systems,
Right.
they might turn to crypto as an alternative.
That's the idea.
Hmm, that's a pretty compelling argument.
Yeah.
So are we saying that Trump's trade war could unintentionally spark a crypto revolution?
It's definitely a possibility. And it's not just individual investors who are starting to see the potential of crypto.
Yeah.
BlackRock, one of the world's largest investment firms, has been quietly accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Wow, BlackRock manages trillions of dollars in assets. They're not just playing around.
Nope. They're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum not just as speculative investments, but as assets that could play a role in a more diversified portfolio.
So they're taking it seriously.
They are, and that's where we can really start to connect the dots.
Okay, I'm following you.
On one hand, you have this escalating trade war, raising anxieties about economic stability and potentially pushing people to seek alternative assets.
Right.
And on the other hand, you have major institutional players like BlackRock entering the crypto space, lending it legitimacy and driving wider adoption.
So it's like these two seemingly separate storylines are converging,
Exactly.
and it's creating a really interesting moment for crypto.